So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So let's start the first thing first. To those of you that are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single update we are going to be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So just follow the Telegram to follow to stay updated. And you can also subscribe to the membership program, by the way. You will find the link to our membership program. Now, if you take a look at this trend on Swiss franc JPY, you will see that the food trend is on an uptrend move. This is our food trend on Swiss franc JPY. We are in an uptrend move. This is very much a bullish move, right? Swiss franc JPY is very much a bullish move. As you can see, we are having a series of higher high and higher low, definitely playing out on Swiss franc JPY. Now let's zoom it in, guys. This is our high that markets they gave us, and here comes the higher low. Market was now able to push up again to form a new higher high, and guess what market did next? It eventually dropped to form an higher low. Market then push up one more time to form a new higher high. Now here comes the higher low, right? Now market eventually push up to form an equal high right here. This is an equal high. So we expect market to give us a pullback, which is formed an higher low right here. Now market is pushing up and we should expect that push up to take out, is able to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move on Swiss franc JPY is what we are going to be expecting. So guys, let's be anticipating for a bullish move on our Swiss franc JPY. That bullish move should take out this previous high, thereby forming a new high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your Swiss franc JPY, you would want to be anticipating for a bullish move. So a bullish move is what you should be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. So be anticipating for a bullish move on Swiss franc JPY for the day. Now, let's go down to our 4-hour time frame, guys. This is a multiple rejection at the top bottom right. So market eventually was able to push up. Then we had a pullback. Market then gave us another push up right here. And this is a pullback right here. Market has given us. Now that we got to this pullback, guess what market did next? Market eventually push up one more time again. Now we will be expecting a pullback and then another push up. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we will be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. So whatever you want to be doing on your Swiss franc JPY, you should be going in for the buy. More movement to the upside is what we are going to be expecting on Swiss franc JPY. Now, could there be any changes to this prediction? Yes, there could be. But if there will be any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on your